Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to make a photo dump on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to download the app called CapCut with this icon. So if you don't have this app, you may go to your Google Play Store or to your App Store and then download the CapCut app. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it, click on New Project, and then go to Photos and choose the photos that you want. So for example, I will choose these 5 photos. Then click on Add on the lower right corner, and then you may add an audio by clicking on Add Audio right here. And there are actually 3 ways in adding an audio. The first one is looking for the sounds right here. These sounds are used or made by CapCut. You may also extract audios using your video. So what you're going to do is to add a video right here and then the audio will be extracted. And then the third one is the voiceover. So basically you just record your voice and etc. So for example, you want to have a pop music, you may extract it from your video, for example, and then you need to cut every photo. So for example, I have a audio right here. I need to cut the photo to where the beat ends or to where um, the beat drops. So just cut it and cut it, then cut it. And then let's say for example that you are done. Simply click on the save button or to the export button found on the upper right corner. So click on it and then wait for it to load. And then now you may share it to TikTok and then that's it. That's how you can make a photo dump on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.